Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change language in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to general management and click on language. By default, English is available. When you install, you should have set it. If you want to add more language, yes, you can do it. Just click on add language and select the language that you want to add in the list. I click on Tamil and click on keep current. If I click on keep current, it will be listed under English. If you click on set default, directly the selected language, that is now Tamil, will be applied automatically. Okay, just now I go keep it in current. Okay, then I click on add language and you can select any other language. Now I select this language. If I click on set default, it will be directly applied. See here, it goes to the first position and it will be applied. Then second comes English, third comes Tamil. If you want to activate English, just move it to the top and it will be activated. See here. Yes, you can add some more languages. So here I select another language, keep current. In similar way, you can add more language of your choice. Indonesia, keep current. Okay, so to activate desired language after adding your desired language to the list, just select and click on apply and it will be applied. Okay, yes, it is applied. It will move to the first position. I would like to shift to the English. Select it and click on apply button. Yes, applied. You can also remove the desired language that you have added. Suppose if you want to completely remove some language from here, just use edit button and select the languages. I have selected 3 other languages, keeping English and Tamil unselected, and I click on remove, and these 3 selected will be removed from the list. If you later think that you would like to add, just you can add using add language. Okay, that's not problem. But as of now, if you would like to have only 2 languages like this, yes, you can keep like that. Okay, so whatever language you would like to activate, you would like to change to any language here in this interface, you can easily do it. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.